What's up guys, welcome to another lesson here at Worship Guitar Skills. Here at Worship Guitar Skills we aim to create content that's going to help you improve as a guitarist and find your own unique voice on the guitar with less time and less effort. So if you're a guitarist, you definitely want to think of subscribing because we're going to be posting weekly content and yeah, it's going to be awesome. In this lesson we're going to be going through the song Raise a Hallelujah. We've included the breakdowns for this song, so if you'd like to check it out you're welcome to check the timestamps or just watch the video, man. So some of you have been requesting tabs and more in-depth breakdowns for these songs. Yeah, so I just want to say stay tuned because Charl is going to be doing some more in-depth breakdowns of the mechanics of the songs and how they apply to music and how you can apply them on your own, those parts. Yeah, so definitely stay tuned for that. Keep your eyes and ears open. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this song is in the key of D flat, and we cap it on the 1st fret. The song is based around the C shapes. So for the intro of the song, we're doing this cool palm muting part. It kind of just hangs on the one, on this, it's like an up down. When the verse comes in, so this part is normally played by 2 guitars. I'm going to show you how we can do it with just the 1 guitar. So yeah, I'm going to play that part for you, and then you guys check it out, and you'll see how it goes. 3, 4. So yeah, you can see it just kind of goes back and forth between those 2 notes. It's 2 down strokes, back to the down, up, down, up. So it's down. And yeah, that kind of just repeats in the verse the whole time. So from there, we're going into the chorus. Chorus is this cool high part. I'll play that for you, and then I'll break it down for you. Alright, so that's the part. I'm going to play this a bit slower for you so you can see what I'm doing there. That's the chorus. So for verse 2, we're doing the same as in the first verse, except when we go to the 5, we just palm mute on that the G shape. So that'll be like this. So we just go to that 5. Alright, so the next part we come in is the bridge. It's kind of like a more subtle palm muting part. And then as it builds, we kind of just do these stabs. To the 4. And that builds the second time into the chorus again. So the last part we come in is the verse, at the big verse at the end. It's kind of this really cool syncopated picking part, and that goes like this. So yeah, that's the part. Let me play that a bit slower for you. Alright guys, so that was the breakdown for Raise a Hallelujah. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when we are posting new videos. If you'd like to check out some of our other song tutorials, click here. And if you'd like to check out some of our other videos, click here.